All right, they're asking us to find, so this is your picture. This is your picture, and it's asking which limits agree with the graph. Choose all that apply. So the limit as x goes to -4 of h of x. So as x goes to -4, so here's how I think of it. I jump on the graph as x goes to -4. Now that's not saying left or right-handed limit. It's, if you zoomed in on that, it's saying as x goes to -4. It doesn't say plus, or it doesn't say plus or minus. If it had said minus, that would mean from the left. If it had said plus, that would mean from the right. So when I look at the graph, since the limit is different from the right, the limit from the right would be -2, and the limit from the left would be -6. So the limit as x goes to -4 from the left equals -6, and the limit as x goes to -4 from the right equals -2, and therefore the limit as x goes to -4 does not exist because it's different from the left and the right. So this is not true. That is not true. So this value right here, let me erase this and show you a little bit closer. This value is the x. See how it says x goes to -4? And this value is the y, because they're talking about h of x, which is your y value, right? So they're saying the limit as x goes to -4 is -2. If it had said from the right, that would be correct, but it didn't say from the right. Yeah, but this one, this next one is talking about the limit as x goes to 0. So what's the limit as x goes to 0 from the right? So jump on your graph. Jump on, where's 0 on your graph? The value f of 0 is right there. F of 0 is 2, right? The function value. So go to the right of it. To the right of it is over here, and go toward it. What's the limit as x goes to 0 from the right? It's that value. It's 2 of f of x is 2. Okay, I should have put f of x in here for this, by the way. Okay, so this is correct. How about this next one? This next one says, what's the limit as x goes to 4 from the left? Yep, as x goes to that is +4. +4 from the left. So jump to, where's f of 4? Here's 4, so go up to the graph. There's f of 4. F of 4 is 6. And what's the limit as it's going from the left? Well, from the left would be down here. Let me erase the red off here. From the left, it would be coming this way. What would you, and limit basically means is what would you expect the value to be if you're going toward 4, what would you expect the value to be for f of 4? In other words, what would you expect the function value to be? Because remember, f of 4 means the function value at 4. F of 4 means y when x equals 4. Well, you know f of 4 is equal to 6. F of 4 equals 6, but what would you expect it to be? What would you expect it to be when you're coming from the left? You would expect it to be 2, right? You would expect that value to be 2. So the limit as x goes to 4 from the left, that's how I write that, of f of x means, this literally means, what would you expect the function value to be when you're coming to 4, the x value of 4 from the left? And you would expect the value to be 2. Now, is the value 2? Is f of 4 2? No, f of 4 isn't 2. F of 4 is 6, but that's not what limit is about. The limit doesn't mean what the function value actually is. It's about what you expect the function value to be. So this is also true. So these are true. This is false. And then, of course, none of the above. You don't have to deal with that. So B and C were the correct answer.